Ronit from Balabusta is joining me in the kitchen and we're going to be making the most divine carrot salad. You're very much a salad enthusiast, aren't you?
Absolutely. I love salad. I could eat salad 3 times a day in all different forms. And I think people get stuck with salads.
Yeah.
So I've got lots of great, easy ideas to zhuzh up your salad repertoire.
That colour, you know that's going to be good for you. I love the sweetness of carrot. So it's one of those salads, I don't want a little bit of it, I want a lot of it because it's so yummy.
Definitely. And it goes well with lots of different things. So let's get cracking.
Great.
And see what we need to do. So we're going to start with some grated carrot.
Yep.
You can grate on a box grater or in a machine if you've got one, or you can even buy the grated stuff from the supermarket.
Okay. And how many carrots have we grated?
So we've grated 4 because they're quite big.
Yeah, great. And can this go straight into the
Straight in the bowl. We're going to make it, I hate cleaning up, so we're going to make it, serve it, eat it all in the same bowl.
Love it.
This is a spicy carrot salad. So we've got 2 different types of spice. We've got heat from chilli and a different heat that comes from ginger. So if you could julienne some ginger for me,
Can indeed.
that would be awesome. And finally chop some chilli and I'll get started on the dressing.
Fabulous.
I'm going to make the dressing in a jar with a lid and shake it. It's always great. You can double, triple quantities of dressing and then you've got dressing made. And when you've got a dressing on your kitchen bench, you've got half a meal done. You're not starting from scratch every time. We're going to start with some olive oil. So, Jaz, do you also make all your salad dressings in a jar?
Look, I do, particularly when I'm on salad duty and going to a picnic or to a friend's house. I put all my salad ingredients into the bowl and then the jar just goes on the side. It just makes it so easy. Or I sometimes just do it in the bowl itself. So mix the dressing, then pop the salad on top and then mix at the last minute. Yeah. And this goes straight into the carrots?
Straight into the carrots.
Okay.
In the jar so far I've got olive oil, apple cider vinegar, balsamic vinegar. We're going to counter that acidity with some sweetness. So some honey, Dijon mustard and lemon.
Nice flavours. I like the combination of the different vinegars. You need them both to
Yeah,
make
you
this
really need balance to get a salad dressing right, and you want to taste it before you put it on and just make sure it's got the right amount of acidity and sweetness in it.
Is this the type of food that you teach in your cooking classes?
Yeah, my cooking classes are salad based. They're called the art of salad making and they're just seasonal depending on what's beautiful and right to use at that time. So I've put some salt in the dressing and I'm just going to squeeze some lemon and hopefully that will give us a good balance of flavours.
And I'm finally chopping this. I hope you wanted that not julienne because it's finally chopped now.
You know what? A lot of it is whatever you like. I like chilli, so I leave the seeds in. I know some people don't like heat as much. You can take them out, but anything goes.
I like the seeds too, so in it goes.
So now we've got the heat, we need a bit of freshness. We need half a bunch of parsley. You can use the stems as well in those.
Yeah, so much flavour in the stems.
Yeah, and crunch.
Yeah.
And then the mint will pick off the leaves,
Yeah,
please.
because the stalks are definitely not palatable. And Ronit, how would you like the parsley chopped?
Just like a shred,
Okay.
please.
We've given that a good wash.
And to mix the salad dressing, just put the lid on the jar and give it a good shake.
Like you were shaking a cocktail.
Yeah, that'd be nice. We've also got some garnishes for the salad. We've got some barberries. Have you tried them before?
No, I haven't actually.
So they're a dried little berry. They've got a real sourness to them, a beautiful tart burst that comes through in the salad or in rice dishes. They're really nice. These are from Middle Eastern grocers, but if you can't find them, you can use goji berries or cranberries in their place.
God, they're amazing. It is really this pop of tartness and then a slight sweetness. Super interesting. I'm going to use that in my cooking.
And they add a beautiful colour as well. Then we've got some black sesame seeds. White sesame seeds are fine, or toasted sesame seeds are great too.
Okay. Wow, you're really doing a rainbow salad here.
Oh yeah, well you're meant to eat a rainbow, that's the whole point. It's got to be visually appealing because you eat with your eyes before you use any of the other senses.
Yeah, absolutely.
To add some crunch, I'm going to use tamari almonds. Have you tried those before?
You know what, I have, but I'm just going to have another little taste. Oh yeah.
Really
Yummy.
delicious. And I'm just going to roughly chop those.
All right. I love those.
Me too. So tamari is like soy sauce. It's quite salty. You can roast almonds with soy or with tamari yourself, or you can buy these pre-done.
And I'm just chopping some of that mint, nice handful.
That already looks beautiful.
All right.
And that's it, all done. Now we just need to dress it, put the nuts on, and we got lunch.
All right, I'll do the honours. I'll pour this beautiful dressing over it. It smells good.
Just give that a toss.
Okay. What would you serve this with?
It goes really well with barbecue, and it also goes really well with any braised meats. Like if you've got a lamb shoulder or something that's been cooking for a long time, because it's almost like a palate cleanser.
Absolutely. And even just thinking about a lamb shoulder, how it can be so fatty, because this is such a crisp, clean salad, That would work so nicely with it. And you just need that. The lamb and the carrots. Mwah. I'm gonna do that this Sunday.
And then the last step, we're just gonna put the nuts over and give it another little toss.
And you do want to leave those nuts to the last minute so they stay crunchy. Oh, too easy. A really great combination of flavours there. You've got sweetness from the carrots, tartness from the barberries, very interesting little dried berry. And then you've got a pop of spice from the ginger and the chilli. A great salad to do at home. Like we said, do that with a slow cooked lamb. That's heaven right there. Thank you.